Hi, my name is Chris Link and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to embark on my CO2 laser journey. Today's video will be about the actual procedure in the plastic surgeon's office and then what happened that afternoon and evening after I got home. Then, after this video, I will be showing a day-by-day recovery video showing you every step of the way of how I recovered for that first week. So if you're interested in knowing a little bit more about what exactly happens with the CO2 laser, stick around because we're just getting started. We're about to go and try again to do my core CO2 laser. Core is spelled capital C, capital O, the number 2 RE, core laser, and that's the name of the laser that Dr. Cole's performing on me. Just a little side note and what kind of happened earlier. I went in on Tuesday to have it done, and today's Friday, and I walked in and a big pimple had occurred, and he said, nope, can't do it. We can't risk the infection spreading because of the CO2 laser. As you know, Dr. Cole is super conservative, and he said, okay, we're going to do a round of antibiotics to get this cleared up, and you'll have to come back on Friday. So we're doing it today, and this is the morning. This is Friday morning, so I've been on the clindamycin, so the skin, other than, some residual little spots, this is what I look like today going in for the CO2 laser. This is the second step in the profound core laser protocol. You start with a profound, which are the microneedling radio frequency needles that went in my face for skin tightening and everything like that. And then the second step is what we're doing today, and that is the CO2 laser. So we're going to take video in the clinic, and this is going to go on my YouTube channel that I'm going to start. I'm going to actually start doing more of. So if you would like this video, go subscribe to my channel. That would be really great. And this is what we're going to do. So you turn 50, and you got to decide to do something to continue to keep the aging at bay as best you can, but you're not ready for a facelift yet. This is going to really, hopefully, help the discoloration, the sun damage that I have done through the years. Just, I haven't been in a tanning bed since probably my mid-20s. So I've not really done a lot of sun damage as far as suntan beds are concerned, but just normal lighting and, stuff like that. So, okay, I'm on my way now. Gracie is taking me, and I think Bobby's going to be there too, and I'm going to document every day. So we will see you soon. Say a prayer, wish me luck, and let's hope it's painless. All right, see you soon. Bye. Sweet Kayla just put some numbing cream on some areas. Look at the hiccups. Dr. Cole likes to do some injections for numbing to make it a little more painless. Now, the injections aren't painless, but goodness, they help so much. So I'm excited about that. So I'm just kind of in a holding pattern. He did prescribe me a Valium just to knock my edge off because I get a little nervous. But I think we're ready. So here we go.
Welcome back to Cold Facial. We are fixing to do a CO2 laser on Ms. Chris Link today. The CO2 laser has been around for a while. It's still the gold standard for how we treat faces, increasing the collagen in the face. And it's actually one of the best things to increase the collagen enough so that it makes the lines go away. We like to add it to a profound system so that you get the deep with the profound and the deep elastin and collagen. But then we'll go ahead and add the CO2 laser to it to get that superficial tightening that we want. Typically, we'll give it a couple of months in between so that you got the deep pull and then the CO2 laser comes in. So CO2 has become a lot easier in the past couple of years. Typically, we would do a CO2 in the past and you'd have a lot of downtime. The newer generations of this thing take less and less effort so that you get a tremendous effect out of something that you can do in the office and you don't have to be put to sleep for it. The comfort level is just a whole lot better, and people heal up within about 7 days from this stuff. So today we're going to do a CO2 laser so that we've got a little better tightening, a little better color and tone. And we're fixing to do this crystal link. We're going to mark this out and see just how well we do. You do work with a lot of cane.
I think for short periods of time I work with it. You mastered it by not doing the whole thing.
Okay. So the CO2 laser has come a long way. As you see, this laser can now be done in the office without so much as just a topical or a light anesthetic. The CO2 lasers that they had in the past went just straight across. The new fractional lasers just do a portion of the area, so you don't have the typewriter effect of the old lasers. It does two things. It makes the lasers heal faster and a lot less redness. So your healing factors are usually within about 7 days. You do keep it moist and use a vinegar soak to knock it out. So it does heal quickly. And the power of the new lasers has two types. The CO2 laser fractional also comes, if you're trying to get more horsepower out of it, you'll use one laser that has a deep core that goes a lot deeper than the rest of it, and a second part that does a mid-node, so you're getting two lasers in one.
Hey guys, not sure if I'm going to show this part or not because I look really scary. So this is about 2 hours after I got home from the core laser, and painful. So just thought if I get the courage to post this, I just may do it. But this is what I'm dealing with about 2 hours post-procedure, maybe 3 hours post-procedure. So just wanted to let you know. All right, I'm gonna go back to bed now.
Well, there you have it. I hope I didn't scare you too bad. If you're interested to see more video on the recovery week, I will be doing an additional video of day 2 through day 7 so that you can see the day-by-day changes that my face went through that week. So be sure to subscribe, click the bell below so you can catch every video, because you know what? We're just getting started.